The Cornell Note-Taking Method is a highly regarded and commonly utilized system for the purpose of taking and systematically organizing notes. The genesis of this method can be traced back to the 1950s and attributed to Dr. Walter Park, an esteemed professor of education at Cornell University. In essence, the method comprises dividing every notepad into 3 distinct sections to ensure optimal comprehensibility and accessibility of the notes. The left section is a slender column devoted to cues or keywords, while the right section is a significantly wider column assigned for the detailed notes. Similarly, the lower section is reserved for the summary of all the accumulated information. To begin utilizing the Cornell Note-Taking Method, the initial step involves dividing your paper into 3 distinct sections, as previously mentioned. Once completed, during a lecture or when reading a text, take concise notes in the designated right-hand column. Keeping up with the pace of lecture or reading may require the use of abbreviations and keywords to ensure thorough note-taking. Upon the completion of a lecture or reading assignment, it is recommended that you summarize the information covered within the bottom portion of the page. This summary should highlight the main ideas and concepts reviewed throughout the material. Additionally, you can use the left-hand column to create cues or questions based on your notes. These cues serve as valuable study tools, allowing you to review the material and prepare for upcoming exams. By applying this method, you can enhance your comprehension and retention of the material. The Cornell Note-Taking Method boasts a plethora of advantages worth noting. Firstly, this approach places an emphasis on active listening and engagement with the material presented, whether it's from lectures or readings. Such a method of note-taking can significantly enhance a student's comprehension and capacity to recall the information. Additionally, this technique stimulates organizations and simplifies the subsequent review of the material. Through implementing the Cornell Note-Taking system, all of your notes are centralized and easily accessible in a solitary location, which can make studying for examinations or composing papers a much more streamlined process. The Cornell Note-Taking Method, a proven technique for enhancing academic performance, can help you achieve better results on exams. By consistently summarizing and reviewing the material you have recorded, you can reinforce your knowledge and be better equipped to retain the most crucial information. This can potentially lead to improved preparation for exams and higher chances to recall and retention of core concepts. To really make the most out of your Cornell Note-Taking system, it is crucial to engage in active listening during lectures or reading. Active listening involves giving your undivided attention to the speaker or text and jotting down the most salient and pertinent information. Remember, the key to effective note-taking is to capture the most important concepts, arguments, and examples. Regularly summarizing and reviewing your notes is a helpful technique that promotes information retention and facilitates exam preparation. To further enhance this process, experiment with different colors, sections, and cues while using the Cornell Note-Taking Method. This personalized approach can be tailored to your individual learning style, making it an effective tool for academic success. Let's give it a try and boost your learning performance with the Cornell Note-Taking Method.